Bitcoin is rallying, Ethereum is finally gaining momentum, and the larger cryptocurrency market cap is finally seeming as though it can stabilize above key resistance levels. So, is this the final recovery that the cryptocurrency market is making, or are there more dips that you can buy? Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web 3.0. September 27th, after a fairly decent recovery on a Monday, the global cryptocurrency market cap is finally above the US dollar 970 billion mark. The global crypto market cap noted a close to 3% uptick in the last 24 hours, and this was largely due to the price uptick that the top cryptocurrency assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and a few others noticed. Not only that, Defi tokens like Aave, Maker, and Uniswap were rallying too. Seems like an altcoin rally could be on the list of a lot of investors at this point. Bitcoin's price was finally above the 20,000 US dollar mark, and as we have spoken about it before in our previous videos as well, the 20k mark acts like a crucial psychological resistance barrier. It is also a supply barrier above which a lot of BTC turn into profit. We can see that Bitcoin appreciated by close to 5.5% in the last 24 hours. It also noted a close to 6% rise in the last week. Other than that, Ethereum has been on track, and it's finally above the 1300 US dollar mark, which is a crucial resistance for Ethereum, especially in the short term. Ethereum too noted an over 4% price uptick in the last 24 hours, while it's up by a mere 2% in the last 1 week. A look at certain other top altcoins suggests that most of the altcoins were following BTC and ETH's lead in terms of gains and flashed green on their daily as well as weekly chart. On the weekly chart, if we take a look, XRP has gained the most in terms of percentage. It's up by a massive 19.44%. However, on the daily chart, seemingly in the top 10 assets by market cap, Bitcoin is the one that's charting the highest gains with 5.49%. After that, we have Solana with 5.24%. BNB has appreciated by 3% in the last 24 hours, while Cardano is up by a mere 2.4% and Dogecoin by 2.25%. On this renewed bullish momentum, a few Defi tokens like Uniswap, Maker, Quant, Chainlink, and a few others have managed to carve their own rallies. Uniswap has been one of the leading gainers for the last 24 hours. Very recently, Stepan's GMT token overtook Uniswap, but prior to that, Uniswap was followed by Maker, and we can see that in the top three gainers we have Uniswap and Maker, which are two of the top assets in the Defi ecosystem as well. A look at the Defi total value logged shows that the current TVL is around 56 billion US dollar, which is quite low as compared to the all-time high, which was around 157 billion, over 157 billion. And in the last 4 to 5 months itself, from January to September now. In fact, since January up until now, which is September, the total TVL in Defi has fallen by over 70%. We can see that there was quite a bit of institutional demand for Defi ecosystem and tokens from June up until the end of 2021. However, as 2022 began and as Bitcoin and the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem started to lose momentum, the Defi TVL also noted a massive uptick, and around May 2022 is when the Defi TVL fell sharply, and ever since then it has oscillated in the lower range, so to say. Taking a quick look at the top news of the day, we can see that Japan cryptocurrency transfer rules are now aiming to target money laundering, and the government will require exchanges to share their customer data. This means that the regulatory concerns in Japan are surely going to tighten, and exchanges might have to offer their data to the government, as the government would track money laundering and other security related issues pertaining to cryptocurrencies in the country. Moving on, while Ethereum might not be one of the top gainers at this point, the coin market cap community has estimated Ethereum's price to rise considerably. They have laid out a very optimistic median price of 1500 US dollar for Ethereum by the end of October 31st. The crypto community's price forecast for Ethereum has over 2,200 cast votes, and this report highlights that from the current levels, Ethereum's price would have to appreciate by close to 13% to achieve the 1500 US dollar mark level. It's also important that I remind you at this point that the 1500 US dollar mark acts as a crucial resistance in Ethereum's price trajectory. So overtaking this price barrier could play an important role in Ethereum's long-term momentum, or in fact even the yearly price close for the second largest crypto asset by market cap, which is Ethereum. In yesterday's daily news wrap, we saw how LUNC, or Terra Classic, has been one of the top gainers in the cryptocurrency market. However, we did point out that LUNC has been very volatile of late, and this is largely due to the social sentiment around the coin. Well, there has been another update around Terra despite the cryptocurrency losing the rally that it had gained yesterday. And this isn't a very exciting turn of events for the community and its hodlers. Very recently, we saw that the Luna Foundation Guard virtual asset wallet was suddenly created on September 15th on Binance, which is the world's largest virtual asset exchange. And then around 3,300 BTC was transferred to KuCoin and OKX wallets. And this suspicious transfer of a large amount of Bitcoin from Binance to the two other exchanges has left people wondering what Do Kwon is up to. If you think that we should do a video on Do Kwon and the entire Terra Luna fiasco, let us know in the comment section below. But for today, this is all we have in Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap. I will see you tomorrow with more such updates from the crypto, blockchain and Web 3.0 market. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that like button. I'll see you tomorrow.